everybody and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, thank you for joining me. My name is Olivia, but you can call me Libby. And on this channel, I talk all things brands, beauty and personal development. So a few months ago, I had purchased a wig, this one to be precise, from a company called MyFirstWig. And they actually saw the YouTube video that I had created and they said to me, hey, let's do a collaboration. And I was like, absolutely. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, an installment of the wig, and then giving a review. But before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscription button if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video today. Okay, so I have the package here. I have not opened it yet. So my first reaction is gonna be what you see. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna give a raw review, no sugarcoats. I'm just gonna tell you exactly what I'm feeling, thinking about packaging, the wig itself, and I feel as though it's going to be up to par, but we shall see. Okay, so let me just go ahead and get going because this package came yesterday and I was so tempted to open it, but I didn't. I was very well behaved, so we're gonna see. I'm just so excited. It's like an early Christmas present, you know? Okay. I feel as though I might need some scissors. Oh wait, no, no. Pink, I love that. Pink, pink, pink. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, they gave me a wig stand. Thank you. We're gonna go ahead and keep going. So this is the box that I got last time and I absolutely loved how this box looked. I like the fact that it does like this shimmer. Look at that. Absolutely love that. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. I have not looked in this box, so let me just do this. Ooh, what's that? Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited. Okie dokie. I am really going to get everything out and just see what this is. I think that this is a headscarf. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you. Oh my gosh, we also have a headband in there as well. And then, of course, the wig is in this gorgeous pink satin bag. Absolutely love that. We've got some more goodies in here. Let me just put my box down really, really quick. Okay. First of all, this little pouch is so cute. I could definitely put makeup in here, my makeup brushes in here. That's actually a really good idea. Let me just open this up and see what is inside. Awesome. Do you know what's so funny too is I was gonna buy more clips. Now I've got some. Perfect. And then we also have a rat tail comb, which is a must. So let's get right into it. We're gonna pull out the wig. We're gonna see what she looks like. Like I said, I have not seen any of these items. So this is the first time that we're looking together. I love the fact that they put the wigs in the satin bag because satin material is really good for natural hair, for your wigs, especially like if you're sleeping, use satin pillowcases. It just prevents breakage, you know? Okay. Okie dokie. First of all, we have the information sheet. I'm going to be leaving all of the information for this wig in the description box down below for you. We have a wig cap, which definitely is a must. And then the wig herself. Let me go ahead and just take her out of the hairnet. Okay, so she is a natural color, which is usually like a 1B. Yeah. Look at that. The texture is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. She looks like she's got some bangs on her too, so that's always a plus. And then the length of her, she is 14 inches. So she's pretty much the same length as the one that I have now. I feel like the shoulder length wigs are a real thing for me right now. Okay, so inside of the wig, we have a nice amount of lace, which is always a plus. We have 2 combs on each side as well as at the bottom. And then they also add the little grip set so that we can do the bands too. So let me just, oh, here they are. Here we go, we need these. And then all that these do is they just clip onto here like that. First impression, Packaging. I'm a big person like on packaging, okay? I really think that packaging is very important because it's the first thing that your customer is going to see. It was very organized, which is definitely a plus. And yeah, I cannot wait to put her on. So here's the thing. This is what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna head to my bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. I'm gonna show you guys my process. Then I'm gonna do my makeup, put my clothes on, and then I will give you my honest review. But I must say, I am very happy thus far.
All right, let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna set up my wig stand. This was really straightforward to put together. I'm gonna put on my wig cap, and at the beginning of 2022, I actually shaved my hair, so she's growing out under there. I'm just gonna cut the lace at the back. Look at that lace, oh my goodness. I am just in awe, and I haven't had to pluck it or bleach it or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair back, and then I'm going to start shaping around my ears. This part can be a little bit tricky sometimes, so just be careful. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just cut 2 slits just on either side of the lace, and this is just so that I can glue the wig down in sections. My Got To Be glue hairspray. This is my favorite hairspray to use when putting on my wigs, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and just spray different sections of my forehead, and I always put my hairdryer on cool, and this is just going to make the hairspray tacky. That's what you want. And I'm just going to let these sections dry. Cut the lace off yet, and I'm loving how this is looking already. Just doing another quick layer of Got To Be glue hairspray. Okay, we're just gonna get this stretchy band, and I'm just gonna leave it over the top of the lace so it kind of holds it down. This part I did find just a little bit tricky because I did have to tie it at the back, but because it was so long, it really wasn't that bad. I'm gonna cut off some of this excess lace. As you can see, there's still some lace left over, so this is where I can really focus and get closer to the hairline. And you're going to see a little bit of residue from the hairspray, but don't worry. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so real. just getting my rat tail comb and making sure that no hair is stuck. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit of my darker concealer and put that along my hairline, and this just really blends in the lace. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some baby hairs. You don't have to do this, but I always put some extra baby hairs on my wigs. So I'm just doing a little bit of plucking. And we're just gonna put some olive oil hair mousse that'll really hold down those baby hairs. We're just going to quickly go in with my hot comb. And I'm going in with my hair straighteners. This is MyFirstWig's Flyaway Tamer, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love this stuff. It smells amazing and it holds really well. And we're done.
So here is the final look. I am so happy with how this turned out. I'm so grateful for doing this collaboration with MyFirstWigs. The results turned out absolutely fantastic. It just looks phenomenal, and that was one of the things I loved. You can take it right out of the package and just put it on. Whereas sometimes with other wig companies, you have to manipulate it, you have to bleach the lace. With MyFirstWigs, it's so straightforward, it's so simple, and the hair quality is gorgeous. Another thing that I will say too is that I do wish on the elastic band that I put on my head to lay down my lace, if there was like some Velcro or something like that to make it a little bit easier. But that being said, I love the fact that it was very stretchy, and the length was definitely a key point for me as well. I will be leaving everything in the description box down below, from the website to the direct link to this wig, as well as MyFirstWig's Instagram. I really hope that you enjoyed this video today. I have not made a video of me actually fully doing my hair, so leave it in the comments down below if you would like to see more videos like this. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscription button and the thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be leaving all of my social media links down in the description box below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you back here next time. Bye.